place where you get people who are just truly committed at the top levels of trying to figure out how to make learning work a lot better using all the technologies that we have floating around. And so I love being here as a speaker. I love being here as a participant. It's just a great experience and like none other that I get to enjoy every year.
I think this is a wonderful platform for companies to really offer e-learning services.
It's an incredibly important event, and I do hope that it will remain in Africa, because this is really great to get people to come together.
We specifically came here to eLearning Africa for a couple of reasons. Certainly any time that we're actually in the region, what we want to do is make sure that we actually connect at the right level with the right government officials, both in the country that we're in, but also in neighboring countries.
People like us, researchers, the opportunity to present findings of research that we have, especially for the session where I was presenting, which had as content that African research is not really found in international publications. So that's why this session was titled Research and Findings by eLearning.
And certainly we've had a really good couple of meetings, a really good couple of opportunities on that side. For me, the main focus though that we wanted to actually do was to connect with teachers. And a lot of the solutions that I wanted to present over here were specific to teachers.
I learned a lot from the e-learning. When you design a lesson, for example, if the lesson is not well taught in class, these are on internet, the other lessons.
At Intel, we definitely believe that teachers are the key, and that teachers need to be empowered and trained to effectively integrate technology so that they can help the young people really unlock the power that technology can bring into the classroom and deepen the learning.
So we are moving from primary to secondary to universities. There is a big network in universities. We are developing content that should be used, customized to the Rwandan context. We are giving connectivity to schools. So there is a lot of advances in terms of really transforming the society and bringing technologies to the community.
To us, it is a value addition event because our teachers, we have been taking them to e-learning conferences for the last 3 years. And this one in particular, by bringing such a big number, I trust it's going to have quite a big impact when we come back to our country. Most of these teachers have gotten a lot of knowledge and materials, which I trust they'll be going to use them in classroom and improving the quality of education back in our country.
I've learned a lot. I've participated in the workshops, in the sessions, in the plenaries, and now in the debate. And I wish we had more of this in Africa, because the ICT community in Africa needs a voice to develop and learn about this technology.
I'm enthusiastic that ICWE have included the environment track not only in eLearning Africa but also in the online Educa Global Conference in Berlin. I think environmental issues are so important nowadays that we have to look at innovative ways of applying technology-supported learning to change people's behaviour, attitude, and to raise awareness of the many environmental problems that the world is facing.
Because I'm looking forward to see how we're going to develop Zambia with e-learning, the internet, because I know it's got a lot of benefits, especially to us school girls.
We need something like this so that we can catch up with the rest of the world.
The world needs to now start using IT to make learning more efficient. So it's a good initiative, and I think this is a start of a very beginning of good things for the entire world.
Good governance. This conference therefore has come at an opportune time when Zambia is in the process of developing the ICT sector.
It could well be that by then, no one will so much as bat an eyelid at a twittering bishop or an internet imam.
We hope to see more interesting content. One of the things I have seen so far in this conference is that people have come to agree that teachers need to move from teachers-based learning to student-based learning. Learning should be more interactive, and it looks like there's been increased pressure on the teachers now to try and look around and be more innovative in teaching and, of course, create a better innovative learning environment.
The conference has been very useful not only in terms of what people have been hearing in the delegate sessions, but actually in terms of the people that have been brought together here. And so we're seeing quite a unique blend of experience of people who are mulling around it. So the networking opportunities are very considerable. And we are beginning to see opportunities in other countries in Africa for doing very much the same sort of thing as we're doing. There's a great thirst out there for content, in particular for both primary and secondary education on the net now.
Cost of what we call computing is going to go to almost nothing and enable a revolution in access in both the home, the school and the business.
Je crois qu'il y a eu tout d'abord beaucoup de monde et je salue les Zambiens. On a été bien accueillis et par rapport à la conférence, il y a beaucoup de communication intéressante, vraiment instructive dans le domaine des technologies. Il y a eu vraiment une avancée par rapport au e-learning. Ça, il faut le saluer.
eLearning Africa is like the #1 conference to bring together the educational visionaries in Africa, the ministers, the non-governmental organizations who are helping support the deployment of ICT. And in this forum, learning about these new technologies, this is the perfect vehicle to communicate it for us.
Glad to be here again. This is Tarkan Manor with Wise Technology. We have Arno Van Herden here, also from Wise Technology, our president for Africa. Here in Lusaka, Zambia, in our bus, in our online mobile bus of cloud client computing. We're bringing technology, internet connection to students across Africa.
It's been very busy 3 days. I don't think we've stopped for 5 minutes, and I'm very much looking forward to returning to the eLearning conference again next year.
It's been an exciting time because we have met people who have used our resource as a result of coming to other conferences, and it has opened up our resource to people who are looking for opportunities to bring education and learning to their communities, to their children, to the adults in it, so that they can all improve the quality of their lives.
As far as it has gone, I'm very, very happy. It's a very, very successful conference. We were actually overwhelmed. We were not expecting to have so many delegates.
I think it's been an absolute success. I mean, I have never, the fact that I actually almost ran out of business cards, and ran out of brochures and things like that, kind of say that we actually connected at the right level with the teachers.
We didn't know it would be such a success. But now we are happy, and we wish we could host again, but that chance will be 40 years from now.